We are right now in Kabul, and this is the extended green zone of Kabul city. You just see behind me. You can see a local market over. This is one of the most prominent market of Kabul. You can see people buying stuff for their family members. People have been doing a local shopping. But what is important that after 20 years, Taliban again trying to process themselves or advance themselves toward the Kabul city. Although when we speak to all these people, they have clearly mentioned they have a fear, they have anxiety, but still they hope that things will become better. After 20 years of struggle, Taliban still advancing to the Kabul city. And what is more important right now, the Taliban have changed themselves economically, politically, and with the weapon wise. And right now, this is the whole situation in Kabul city. What I'm going to tell you, you can see this is the, as I told you, this is the green extended extension of the city. That means the city has been divided in three parts. First is the outer circle, then the extended green zone, and then the main green zone. And we are in the extended green zone, and you can see the barricade. This specify that this after this barricade, this is the main green zone where the presidential palace, where the all important ministries, Ministry of External Affairs, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Internal Affairs, Ministry of Defense, everything is out behind this. And right now, I just want to show you a look how this is. If my camera person is showing to you, that is the old and the outer cordon or the outer city extended in the ridge hills, and that is the main old Kabul city. And this is the new Kabul city extended green zone. This is how I'm trying to explain you the condition of Kabul, and especially what exactly the situation on ground in Kabul. And after this, we are going to take you to the most forward locations in the Afghanistan. But we just wanted to show what exactly the condition and situation in Kabul. Right now, I am one of the security positions of Kabul. National Defense Security Forces, and you can see each and every car has been checked thoroughly by the security forces. These are the paramilitary forces of Afghanistan, and they have been checking each and every car which is coming to the Kabul city. And you can see behind me there are different mechanisms. First is they are checking physically. Second, there are high resolution definition cameras also there on the poles, so that they can see exactly where if anything on a long way they can see. And you can see that they are checking out the security, their cards, ID cards and everything. And behind me there is a K9 team also. K9 team is a sniffer dogs which are checking if there any explosive or something. They are going to check it with the help of sniffer dogs, and after that checking, they are releasing all these cars. So these mechanisms have been placed in the Kabul city, especially the Kabul city. As I told you, there are three layers in the Kabul city. First is the outer, second is the extended green zone, and the last one is the main green zone. And this is the main green zone area where nobody is allowed without proper checking. And this is the mechanism they have been followed from very long period. When the things have been changed, especially when the Taliban have advanced towards the Kabul city, or they are trying to do that, now the mechanism has been placed. The Kabul city has been safeguarded by the various steps or the various mechanism, and the most important is the surveillance unit, which has been surrounded by this hill structure. You can see these are the natural hills or the boundaries for the Kabul city, so that no one can enter into this city. But beside this, the surveillance units have been also been placed at the various location of these hills. We have been told by the various official sources that we have placed many surveillance units at the various location of these hills. And what is more important, these surveillance units have been deployed or placed with the help of American soldiers. When Americans came to this country, Afghanistan, they have not only brought their soldiers but also the new techniques and surveillance which help the Afghan forces. Right now, we are one of the location where the surveillance units has been placed, and we are just showing you how they have been working. And this is the pan or the wider pictures of the Kabul city from the roof of this hill. And what is more important, you can see behind me you can see balloons in the sky, and these are not a normal balloons, they are the surveillance balloons which can not only surveillance, they have the intercepts, and they have also have the camera, high resolution camera, which can see at larger perspective of the Kabul city. These balloons have been, you can see when you come to the Kabul city, you can see these kind of balloons everywhere at a small distance. So these have been placed so that a proper monitoring can be done on the Kabul city. With video journalist Virendra Maurya, Sumit Chaudhary for TV9 from Kabul.